Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here with MaxHousePrice. I'm here in Woodbridge, Virginia, coming to check out our property that we've been working on. If you remember, we're partnering with a local real estate agent and her seller to help them net more money at sale through our win-win home selling system. So we're in the home stretch. We're getting things finished up this week. Let's take a look. I'm here in the master bedroom. You can take a look. You can see we got everything painted in here. Looks great. Everything's painted, the walls, the trim. We have new carpet in here. Come check out the bathroom here. Done quite a bit of work here in the master. So we just had the countertops come in today. Check out these quartz countertops that we put in. Looks awesome. We did a great job with the install. We've painted the vanity. We have a new mirror and light fixtures. Just looks so much different. And check out this tile, guys. We had a company come in to clean the grout and it just really dressed everything up and it just looks super clean. We'll walk you guys through the rest of the house. You can see everything's been painted. Here's the hallway bathroom. Same thing here. We put in the new countertops. We got the new mirror and fixture and all the tile nice and cleaned up. Let's take a look downstairs. And if you remember, we had these builder grade hardwood floors in here. We had these sanded and refinished, and just take a look at this space now. It just looks fantastic with these floors and natural wood grain. We just went with a clear finish on here to see the natural color of the wood. So really great space. We just have this huge area in here. And then if you take a look, we have a half bathroom right here. We just replaced the mirror and light fixture. Everything's painted. We cleaned up this tile as well. And then come take a look here in in the kitchen here. You can see we've painted all the cabinets, installing some door hardware. We got the new appliances in, the granite, new vinyl floor. It just looks incredible in here. So much different. The before and after is quite remarkable. So we were really able to put together a cost-effective solution to make this house shine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions about how we could help you or your clients, feel free to send us a message or call or text us at 703-215-2144. Thanks so much.